Do you want to make 500 short videos daily? That with the help of AI tool you can create 500 videos daily. And you can earn $5,000 by making YouTube short. So first I'll show you the proof, then I'll teach you how to make a video. So check out this channel. This channel makes videos on story. Let me show you his earnings. This channel is earning almost $4,500. And this channel makes all its videos with the help of AI tool. And this channel has completed 26,000 subscribers in just 1 month. And this channel has millions of views, and because this content is in English language, its RPM will be more than $10. So you can also earn like this channel. Then start the video. Step number 1. The first AI tool we will be using is called ChatGPT. In it we will write suggest story for title, love letter from the past. So ChatGPT will make you a complete story. You can use it in your short video. Step number 2. The second AI tool we will be using is called voicemaker.in. In this we will generate the voice of the story. Simple, we will copy the story from there and paste it here and then select the voice. Here you are given a lot of voice in which you will select any one, male and female, and click on convert speech. So we saw it by generating voice, we will download it from here. Step number 3. The third AI tool we will use is called Leornado.ai. This is an image generate AI tool. In this we will generate story related image. So we will copy some storyline from here and paste it, then it will generate story related image. So we will download it from here. Step number 4. The fourth AI tool we will use is called Canva.com. This AI tool will generate the video for you. YouTube short will be written on it and any template will be set. Everything has to be deleted from here. And the image we generated is to be uploaded here. After that, the voice generated by us has to be uploaded here. Here now your work is complete and your video is ready. You have to download it from here and upload it to simple YouTube. So with the help of AI tool you can make videos for YouTube in a very short time and earn money from YouTube. If you like the video, then click on the like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you can see more such videos. Thanks for watching the video.